Because if you know, sewing and fabric shopping are two different hobbies, okay? And I dibble and dabble in both. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Akia Tiani. Here I do sewing and DIY videos, so if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also be sure to like, comment, and share my channel with your friends. So today I will be doing a fabric haul from Fabric Wholesale Direct. So I love Fabric Wholesale. So today I'll be doing a fabric haul from why can't I say that? So today I'll be doing a fabric haul from Fabric Wholesale Direct. That's kind of a tongue twister. Okay, so it's a little bit different because I ordered their fabric scrap box. What that is a kind of like a mystery box of fabrics that didn't pass their quality assurance test. Either they were returned or they were had like small defects. So I ordered this on Black Friday. I got the small box, or the 10-pound box, which is their smallest box. It's originally $49.99, but I got it on Black Friday for $37.50. I was going to do an unboxing and open it up with you guys, but I couldn't wait. So I did take a peek at the fabrics, but it's good because there were some fabrics in there that I didn't really know what they were. So that gave me a chance to look them up before I came to show them to you. So let's go right ahead and get started. So the first fabric that I've pulled out is this green plaid with red and yellow. It seems to be a good amount. There's at least, there's actually a lot of this fabric. So I really do like this. I should have did something with it before with the green and red, like the holiday season, but I can still do something with this. So I give this, I don't know, not gonna rate it. I like it. So this next fabric is actually gave me pillowcase vibes. It's this like neon green, kind of neon greenish yellowish fabric, and I took a screenshot because I didn't really know what the exact name of it was, and it is a cotton polyester broadcloth. So again, gives me like pillowcase vibes, but I saw that you can also do like children's clothing or things like that. So we have that. The next one is this pink cotton flannel. So it's very soft. There's not a whole lot of this, but it's very soft. It's a kind of like a Pepto-Bismol pink, but it's cute. Okay, so the next one is just a white chiffon. There seems to be a lot of this. I won't unwrap it all, but just a nice pretty white chiffon. So can't go wrong with that. You can use this in any project maybe. All right, so my favorite fabric out of the entire box is this Ankara Fabric. Really pretty green, red, yellow with flowers. Isn't this just beautiful? Okay, I really like this fabric. That's one thing about Fabric Wholesale Direct. I've never ordered any African prints from them, so I'm really glad that I got this. Can't wait to make something with it. The next fabric that I'm pulling out is this red satin. So let's open it up. Red satin. This is just a standard satin. You can see the backing on it has a matte backing, a nice medium weight fabric, no stretch. So we love a good satin. Now this next fabric, I did try and look it up, and I might have found it, but I can't remember what it is. So, oh yes, it's a lining fabric. That's what this is a lining fabric. It's a really pretty dusty rose color, and when I initially pulled it out, I thought it was going to be like a silk, but it's very thin, as you can see, like very see-through because this is a lining. But you may be able to do some like intimate type clothings or accessories, maybe like a headbands, scrunchies, for those things you wear at night, put over your eyes, like those things. That's what I originally thought of when I saw this. So I might try that out, or I might just use it with its intended purpose as a lining. So this next fabric, y'all, this gave me Dream Girls, Diana Ross, and the Supremes type vibes. But this is really pretty. It's a really pretty royal blue sequin fabric. Not a whole lot, but if I can squeeze some pants out of this, girl, or even, oh girl, like a romper, girl, that's cute. That's cute. So this next fabric, I literally had no idea what this was, so let me pull it up. This is Otter Tex polyester ripstop. Yeah, so this fabric is used, they say it's an indoor outdoor fabric, but some of the intended uses are like things you can make with it were like camping type things, sleeping bags and camping things. So pretty interesting fabric. It has a really cool texture to it, so not quite sure what I will do with it just yet, but I thought it was cool that they gave me something different, something that I would probably never have come across on their website. So they gave me a ton of this white lining fabric. So what I may end up doing, and I already ordered some muslin from them, but what I may end up doing is, just because it's lighter weight, I may use this to drape, because you know, muslin is kind of stiff. It's a heavier fabric, so you can't usually drape everything you want on with it. So I might use this as a drape on my dress form and create some pretty silhouettes. And yeah, because I don't know what else I would do with all of this white lining fabric. I mean, I can line things, but I don't know. And last but not least, they gave me a lot of this stretch. This is a ITY knit printed, and I honestly think that they are just not selling this one because I still see it on the website and I like it. I think that this would be a really pretty like jumpsuit, or maybe even just like a casual little set, like leggings, biker shorts, and like a top. I don't know, I like it. It's an interesting print. It's kind of a burnt orange color. So yeah, I have a ton of this, so I'll definitely, whatever I want to make, I have enough. So super excited about this one as well. So my overall opinions on the box, I like it. I really do like it. It's a fun experience to just get some fabrics that you didn't pick out, you weren't expecting, and it's just like, hey, surprise me. Because if you know, sewing and fabric shopping are two different hobbies, okay? And I dibble and dabble in both, okay? I love buying fabric. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you would like to see me make with any of these fabrics, and I will do my best at making them for you. Also, let me know if you try out the fabric scrap box and show me what you get. So I hope you enjoyed this fabric haul. Let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. Be sure again to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time. No, why did I blow a kiss?